Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am gonna show you how to make a very potent oil to help grow your hair back. If this is something you're interested in, please continue watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this one for more contents to come. Enjoy. Okay friends, we're gonna start with one medium onion. You can use any onion of your choice. I have this white one at home, so that's what I'm gonna be using. We want to peel our onion off and wash it, and we want to chop it into fine pieces or medium-sized pieces. The type of onion you use doesn't make any difference. You can use violet, the yellow one, or this white one. It will all result to the same benefits. Okay, be using grapeseed oil. We're gonna use 1 cup of oil to 1 medium-sized onion. Okay, so that's my oil and here's my onion. Now we're gonna take a pot and we're gonna mix the two together. Here we have it. Oil, any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, grapeseed oil, or olive oil. Onion is really awesome. The benefits of onion on the hair is it contains sulfur compounds, and that helps with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial and antifungal properties that helps to treat any scalp conditions that you're experiencing. So it also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, thus encouraging new hair to grow and thrive. So if you're experiencing any hair thinning or shedding, please consider making this oil, and it's gonna drastically change your hair. Okay, now if you don't want to make the oil, you can also make onion juice to put on your hair. I've used onion juice a couple of times, but this smell lingers on your hair for so long. But with the oil, I do find ways that to diffuse the smell by using peppermint oil. Let's see, what other oils did I use? I use lavender oil and also lemongrass oil that I put in there that took away the smell of the onion. So, but with the onion juice, even though I added those oil extract, the smell was very pungent and it lingers on and you just smell like onion. So if you don't want to smell like onion, go for the oil instead of the juice of the onion to put on your hair. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you subscribing to the channel and also liking the videos and communicating with me via the comment section. I really do appreciate all the love and the support. Let's keep growing that hair together. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. And yeah, much love. Mwah. So okay guys, so that's the end result. I had all my oil, my scented oils. I added a few drops of them, and now I'm just transferring it into this bottle so that way I can put it on my scalp. Okay, so that's all there is to it, and it will last a long time. It has a long shelf life. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you so much. Mwah.